everyone, welcome back to TechVerse. In today's video, I'm walking you through everything you need to know to start using Xscreen Recorder like a pro on your Android phone, from installation, settings, to editing your recordings. Let's dive in. Step 1. Download and install Xscreen Recorder. Step 2. Grant permissions. Allows the floating control Budo. Allow permission for Xscreen Recorder. Allow permission to storage access to save your videos. Step 3. Configure settings. Tap the gear icon to open settings. Adjust the audio settings. Adjust the video settings. Adjust orientation settings. Adjust facecam settings. The final step. Start recording. Now you can edit your recordings. If you get important, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell.